And welcome back, YouTube friends. We are resuming some GoldenEye. Literally been over a year since I played and recorded this game last. I want to clarify, I did not take a year to grow the beard, but essentially it looks like that. But yeah, I've forgot we were doing this, and we're on train, and this is by far the farthest I've ever been. Still on the 00 agent pass, so we're gonna keep using it. I've never done these missions on 00, so some of these objectives I actually don't know how to do. So like crack Boris's password, I don't know what that means. And so, or like locate Janice's secret base. I think Natalia does that on the computer for you. But we'll see. I was a little rusty. I played a couple levels on my own to kind of shake off the rust, so we'll see how this goes. But this is one of my favorite levels. As a kid, I remember playing it a bunch. Honestly, I don't even really know why. I think it was mostly because it was one of the few levels where you got to use some of the more powerful guns. Like, all the time. Ugh. I hate these boxes. The fact that you're just standing by an explosive does not do. Ow. Ah, shit. Does not do my heart good. Also, they hit like a truck. Can I see around this one? I can. Well, Serpentine. Serpentine didn't really work that well. Okay. What gun do we pick up? The Duchess, I believe. Oh shit! They're coming through already. Oh yeah, this is gonna be. I don't think this is the run. I don't know how to tell you this. Anyone else pushing? Nope, they are just lined up there. So we'll do what we need to do first. Shoot the brakes. And try not to hit the doors. Ah, fuck. Okay, one down. Oh my gosh, I am so low on health already. I really don't like using this cheesiness, but we kind of have to. The other thing too is I think, if I'm not careful, it's fairly easy to run out of ammo. I remember that, and I was never even playing on 00 agent. Because, yeah, you get significantly less ammo as your difficulty is higher. So if I remember on, you know, just normal agent. Fuck. There's so many dudes. How? How am I gonna do this? I don't remember. Do I even have a button for crouch? I evidently do not. Maybe this is the better route. Just use a PP7. Try to hit it like a truck. Whew! I think we might run a death counter on this one. Well, because you're not going to get to see all the deaths at this rate. We made it to the car number 2. Okay, try number 2. Let's do better. Oh, jeez, Pete's they just start off firing. I suppose canonically, there was like no time between the events of the depot in now. I literally just hopped on. You guys gonna shoot this box? Oh, I'm gonna shoot the box, I guess. Nope, come on. Pop back up. Come on. Give me more than just a shoulder. There we go. Oh, I got one of them, I think. No, I got none of them. Wait, he didn't see me? Ah, fuck. Hey, ow, what? What? How? 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 You can't even, you're not even rendered in. Oh god, once the box is blown up, jeezy peace. God damn. I gotta be on point for this guy. There we go. No. Come on. Jesus. Is this guy gonna come through again? Easily, Pete's. Yeah, okay. Clearly, one of my main strategies is gonna have to be maneuvering. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one's going pretty good. We are still in the first car, but at the end of it, and I only got hit once. So, improvement. Oh, come on. Oh! Okay, get this guy on the left. So I can get him without the others really caring about me. Golly. I had a good angle there where only one was looking at me, but... Go. There we go. Okay, okay. Some of it we're gonna have to just get lucky on some angles, I think. And then the other bit will have to be strategically closing on people. in a way where they get locked in like a shooting animation and are just missing me a bunch. Oh, he's farther in the corner this time. Okay, here we go. This is good. Nope. More like here. Oh. He's not dead. Now he is. Excellent. Whew! What are the chances that I ever find armor on this level? I feel it was pretty common on Agent, but 00 Agent almost never giving you armor. Come on. Get him. There we go. Okay. Oh! Oh! Guys! Guys! Wait! End of car number 2! Oh! No! Come on, dude. There we go. I don't know why I'm, come on, duding him. Like, it's my fault he's not getting shot. Sometimes you gotta just, like, oh, it's fairly annoying. You gotta, like, look away to reload because otherwise you're just controlling the door, like, right there. Jeezy Pete's. Come on, open the door. You know you want to. Or just turn your back to me. That's acceptable behavior. Are you not moving? Man, these guys on this level are patient. Okay, there we go. Before I forget, I better shoot this, break. There we go. Oh! I heard the door. I'm worried that, like, there's people behind me? Yes, there are people behind me. Crap. This is bad. Oh, this is not where I want to be. Are they gonna come to me? Kinda? Oh, there's another one. Okay, you guys can hit me when you're not even... Which side was that from? Shit. Oh. There we go. Ah! Crap. Ah, damn it. What? No way. Okay. Where was that shot from? Did I just mishear it? And it was this guy in here? Wait, where is he? No? Okay. Where is he? There he is. Nope. I aim down. Does he... Oh! What am I hooked on? Okay. Ah! I'm probably not that entertaining at the moment, but I'm just really trying to focus on these guys. I feel this is the only way I really know how to sweep this car, though. Okay, here we go. We're doing it. Is this the first green car? Yeah, okay. Locked. I think for sure some people pop out behind me on this one. Nope. Where is he? There he is. Oh, the ZMGs. I like the ZMGs a lot. Oh, which, that watch, you're getting a preview of it right now, but like, the end of this level is going to be the bane of my existence. Whoa! 2 of them? No! Oh my gosh, what kind of aim was that, Addison? Wow! Oh boy, they just come pouring out of this hallway, and then there's a bunch more later. Damn it. Come on. Where are you? There you are. Okay. Wait, there's one more in here, is there? Yep, there he is. Nobody trying to sneak up behind me on this one? Are you sure? Hmm? Oh, the door was closing. Okay, hey! We're doing good? No! Those bullets from behind! Where? Right? Where's the other... I swear those were bullets from behind. Oh. Okay. Got a lot farther than I thought. We'll pick up when I get kind of that far again. Okay. I don't know. We're on life like 8, 9, 10, somewhere in there. Doing okay. The hallways are proving to get the better of me a little bit. Oh. God damn it. Dang it. I wish I more consistently understood where these guys were coming from. I don't know if I want the double ZMGs. I think... the Duchess, sorry, the Deutsch, whatever, has been doing pretty good for me! Oh. Was not ready for them to be right there, ready to shoot. Fuck it. Oh, damn it! There was one more. Well, that was feeling good until I decided to bring you guys back. Gonna try to get to the green room again. See you in another half hour, I suppose. Okay, here we are. I've only been hit a couple times. We're almost... I think I got one more hallway car to go. Yeah. Okay. Myself in this bathroom. I like this bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna like check as I go here. Is it these locked doors? Ow! Damn it. It is the locked ones. Like the moment you go past them, I guess. Oh, shoot! There was 2 dudes in there. Oh. Bathroom. Ugh, this one's gone sideways a little bit. Where's the guy that's usually standing here? Where are the men? Where are the men? Woo! I didn't realize those guys would aggro. Cause yeah, those are the guys from the little hallway. That door better not open. Ugh, these guys are gonna chase me, aren't they? Yep. Okay. Got the ZMGs now. Okay. Remembering way back when. Oop. What opened? Back here? No? I heard something open. Don't you lie to me. Locked. Open. Oh, okay. That room's armed to the gills. With ZMG boys. God, and they're ready. They are ready to go. Got one. Got winged up. There we go. Got him. Come on. Let's go. Look behind me. Okay, I got flying tard last time from behind. Where is he? Do I have to like open the door to spawn him? There he is! Golly! I turned before I killed him! Ah! So you have to open that door and that guy spawns. Ugh. And he's ready to go! Fuck! Okay. Okay. Welcome back. I say welcome back, but like, it's not really, I wasn't gone for you guys. We're doing great. We're doing great. We got to the green rooms with one hit on us. Feeling it. Oh. Ah! Literally the moment I come back. Oh my fucking. Are you kidding me? This is a fucking joke. Oh! I saw the guy. See? Damn it! I died to him, so I didn't even get to learn if he was the guy or not. Okay. Dreaded green rooms, let's go. Nice and clean. There he is. It's interesting these guys are not always in the same spots. Golly! If there is one constant though, is that these guys are ready to fuck. Oh shit. Nope. Not good. Okay. Wow! You can barely see me. Ass. Okay, catch this guy coming in. Where is he? How far back does he run from? No, there's no way he's from here. No, no, no. I didn't trigger him. He must have like come out of this door, maybe? Don't know. I don't know, but yeah, getting real close to this door is what it took. Hey, cat. I'm like paranoid now. I don't want to die to somebody behind me. Okay. We're gonna get the brakes in a minute. I know I went past some, but this is the last room before the like laser watch room. Where are the baddies? Oh, okay. Okay, objective A complete. Excellent, excellent. Oh! Oh! Shit! More dudes spawn! The fuck? I picked up a key card? Any behind me spawners? Not that I can tell. Okay. Oh boy. I honestly don't remember if I need the gun out or if I should just be switching to the laser watch right away. We'll find out, I guess. So which one of them shot Natalia? Okay, just practicing the floor because I realize Natalia's dead, so... See, this is the problem, you got like this annoying crouch behavior. Okay, but in a real situation, I mean, look at this. I have so much time to spare. I must need to like wait for Ty to do something. Okay, well, we'll get to this point again, I guess. Okay, been a couple of tries. I'm getting pretty good at the beginning, but ooh, I am not enjoying this run back here every time. So we shoot the brakes. These guys come out. They drop their guns. I want to wait. I'm gonna wait till. I wanted to hear this door close because I think that'll help me get in here and shoot all the general. I don't remember what his name is early enough. He's kind of to the right though, so I need to. Oh, I don't know how to beat that. We'll have to see. Okay, here we go. We're in the same situation again. So I shot right away, and Omarov just kind of shot her. So maybe I don't do anything? There we go. There we go. That's what the doctor ordered. Okay. I'm just gonna zip right through this while she does the computer stuff. I remember this being a nightmare on the N64. This is a fucking C. The way you had to aim is miserable. Okay, let me double check. What are we trying to do here? I have to rescue her, I have to find the secret base, crack his password. Maybe if I was listening to that dialogue, it would work. But do I have a? No, I do not have anything that helps her. Backing up files. I'm gonna find out where it's going. He's in Cuba. Are you decrypting things? Perchance? Do we not? Get out! Out! Did she die? Why did she die? Did she die from these people? Or did she die from the explosion? Let's see if we can do it this time. Get in. Out. Meet shield. Meet shield. What? What am I supposed to do different? I guess meat shield was the wrong move. Okay, I got exciting news. I googled it because I didn't want to get all the way here and lose again. So the way you give her enough time to do the password is you have to either do the watch thing and complete it before, I think the point you can tell is Trevelyan says good luck with the floor, which sounds absurdly fast. Or if you are able to shoot Xenia before the door comes down and she says, Alec, I'm hit, then it delays the start of the countdown and gives her enough time. So you're leaving at like 20 or 15 seconds rather than 3. So, and I think we're going to try this out. I hit her. I did not get the romp though. Also, do you not even... We'll try again. Okay, I think we did it this time. I think we did it. We're gonna try to still do this relatively fast. Come on. Okay, I can hear typing, and the timer has not started yet, so that's really good news. Wow, yeah, even with the delay, I do not know how you would do that before he says that, you know? God damn it. Okay. I believe in you this time. Okay, come on. He's in Cuba. Yada, yada, yada. You do have time. I earned you this time. Okay. Okay, we're clearing it out for her. Now let's get out of here. Use speedrunner strats. Let's go. She dies. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Woo! I think we did it. I think we did it. That was a lot tougher than I expected it to be. Wow. This is like way too many lives. I'm not gonna lie. That beginning, you missed a lot of deaths in the beginning. I think the next one I also played a bunch as a kid. Yes. I played a lot of jungle as a kid, mostly because it was the only one you could get the AR, and I think you also get to play with the P90 because Xenia has it. But yeah, that was definitely for next time. But yeah, join me next time. See ya.